Yung... Video na.
Skin protection powder with active skin shield. Just protektado siya all the time with Johnson skin protection powder. Akala ko, shampoo was enough to prevent hair fall. So I use Cream Silk Strength Boost. My hair reborn technology that replenishes nutrients removed by shampoo. Get up to 90% less hair fall. Get hair reborn. Hair fall with Cream Silk.
Suko mi. Ketawa mi. Kong Mars. Suko.
Hindi ko makabayang ito na mukha to. Ano kasi ng pagkakata ka yun eh. Ang solusyon lang dyan, magpakagat ka. Magpakagat?